Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. You've been wondering how to connect with infinite possibilities. Let's have a look at your reading and see how we can help you. At this point in time, what you are going to need more than anything else will be the motivated drive to not only restore your balance but to put balance back into order. Um, the root chakra, sacral chakra, and solar plexus normally work together when it comes to infinite possibilities. Know that it's time to clear all mental fog and, as I've mentioned before, focus on the chakras or chakra balancing. Thank you.